Have you always wondered how to get a nice and even cut on a 55-gallon drum and maintain that smooth edge? How about doing that cut and also keeping the lid as a pseudo lid still? It at least covers, albeit not fully sealing. This is a pretty simple process. We're going to aim to cut inside of this ridge that's about an inch down. To help us do this, we're going to use a simple jig that just attaches to the side of our circular saw, so it can ride along the top of the barrel. You don't have to use a jig, you can just use your finger. I'm just bad at maintaining a straight cut that way. If you'd like a video on how I made this jig, let me know down in the comments below. Using your circular saw and jig, or your finger, simply roll the drum as you maintain the circular saw along the line of the drum. If you don't have a very fine blade on your circular saw, you'll have a bit of a plastic fluff left over. Just take some 220 grit sandpaper and go along the edge and it'll effortlessly remove it. And that's it. You can flip the cutoff lid over and set it on top to create a cover. As always, if you guys like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all new content that comes out. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.